if we go for curd, yeah, according to Ayurvedic principles, it will increase your kapha. So if it increases kapha, it will have more lethargic. If you want to have a sound sleep, go for eating curd at 6 o'clock in the evening. Very simple. So simple. Secondly, it has again carb. Okay. See, the amount of curd you eat and the amount of buttermilk you eat, these two things are totally different. Why? Because its conveying liquid is different. The curd is more towards the kind of carb and protein and also fat, whereas buttermilk is more towards a very very thin liquid having some small amount of protein and carb, very less amount of fat, because the quantity itself is depicts. You cannot drink say 7 glass of buttermilk, but 7 glass of buttermilk is equivalent to just half glass of curd. So another thing is, whenever milk product, they are in small quantity along with the water as a vehicle, these products go through our gut very easily. When milk is actually drank, at that point of time it becomes very thick in our stomach and literally it causes constipation. That is not case with curd, but it is also a brother of milk. But that is not, both the cases are not there with buttermilk, and that is the reason. Another thing is, if you want to mask the property of curd in buttermilk, you can use the ginger, you can use something which is actually a masala. So people use kadi patta, ginger, or they can use lasoon, what we say as garlic.